So, I've been sneezing all day. How very fun. Hey guys, welcome back to the show, welcome back to the diary. So yes, I am Sniffle Sick, and I have no idea why. No, don't worry, it's not coronavirus, considering the fact that I don't have any other symptoms, it's just the cold. But, yeah, wake up and within 5 minutes of waking up I was sneezing with it. And it's like, just go away. So I'm going to keep this one short, otherwise I'm going to have sneezing fits galore. But no, so yeah. My stopper came off of my vape and now I'm having problems with it. Well, I can't find the stopper, it kind of pinged and flew away somewhere and I literally don't know where the hell it is. But no, as some of you may already know, I live right opposite the road from the Chinese and it's just recently reopened. So we have people galore standing outside in the middle of the road waiting for Chinese. Well, I suppose if you have to stay 2 meters apart, what else can you do? But don't stand in the middle of the road, guys. Come on. But no, I think that's going to be it for me today. Otherwise, I'm just going to be sneezing in a minute. So I'm going to leave it there. That's it for me today, guys. I'll see you Monday. See ya.
Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.